by the bench like glow. Stu rolls up his sleeves, CB's at the door, and ham rigs in need. Schematics spread wide, tools lined up in rows. He finds the weak link, and back to life it goes. Meter says true, scope says plain. He don't patch it quick, he fixes the strain. One clean repair, then the word gets around. That old shop hum keeps holding its ground. DX Radio Shop ain't never gonna close. DX Radio Shop ain't never gonna close. Stu keeps working while the radios sing. Clean repairs and craftsmanship in everything. From the workbench to the airwaves, the reputation grows. DX Radio Shop ain't never gonna close. No guessing games, no shortcut prayers. He traces every fault with a steady stare. Years in his hands, know the signs by touch. Every circuit gets love, and that means much. When you need someone you can trust that much, Stu's right there with a practice touch. Let the meters move, let the signals fly. He puts it back so we can reach the sky. What lasts that long was built with care, and every radio leaves better than it came there. DX Radio Shop ain't never gonna close. DX Radio Shop ain't never gonna close. Stu keeps working while the radios sing. Clean repairs and craftsmanship in everything. From the workbench to the airwaves, the reputation grows. DX Radio Shop ain't never gonna close. Bench light on, solder hot and bright. A problem gets solved before the night. From CB to ham, he knows the drill. Doing every repair with a technician's will. DX Radio Shop ain't never gonna close. Keep those radios talking wherever the signal goes.